So now for our vinaigrette, we have a bowl. You just want a little bit of shallot for some bite. We're gonna macerate this. So we're gonna start out with some lemon. And then we have a really special, this is a verjus, which is made by -8 up in Canada, homeland. So just a glug of that there, a couple tablespoons. We're just gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper. And that's the base of our vinaigrette there. So we're gonna add a little bit of whole grain mustard. Just a tab, that's a teaspoon. Give that a whisk. So we're gonna add a little bit of our maple syrup. And then we're gonna go ahead and mount it with our basil oil. Once we start getting a little bit more basil, we're gonna show you guys how to do a basil oil, which is very easy. This is gonna be great flavor, color, just a really nice herbaceous touch. Take your oil real nice and slow. Get it emulsified. And then again, we're gonna put our smoked trout on the grill. And this time I'm gonna get it a little bit more warm to kind of wilt the leaves. We're gonna pull leaves because these leaves are fantastic. We're gonna go in there, put about 15 or so leaves in there. And then in with our beautiful lettuce. Look at that stuff. I mean, it's gorgeous. And I'm actually gonna mix a little bit of these greens in there too. So we got our red mustard, we got our pea shoots up there too. Just get a nice mix. Some hearty, some light. And we're gonna go right on the top of that. Not too much. Nobody likes a soggy salad. I'm gonna add some crushed Marcona almonds. We're gonna go to the grill here and grab our fish. Oh, look at that, warm. So we're just gonna kind of flake that off ever so gently. It really is magical when you can come out here, pick the salad, go fishing, and put it all together right where it grows. It's really, I'm very, very blessed. The greens are cool, trout is warm. It's got great contrasting textures and flavors and heat. You know, the blossom is perfect for salads like this. Really oniony, they're beautiful. Just finish that up, just sprinkle them right on top, just like that. And then we're gonna take our radishes and do them really, really thin. And as I say, please watch your fingers. This will wreck your day. And we're just gonna strew those about there. Fresh, beautiful, gorgeous. I mean, I can't say enough about that.